ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Review. Real 30,000 Pascal results.
Last Tuesday, I stepped barefoot onto my kitchen floor and felt grit. I had just run my old robot vacuum an hour earlier. That quiet frustration hits differently when you realize you can't trust your cleaning routine anymore. I remember standing there, staring at streaks near the sink. Enough was enough. Ever been there?
Over time, it adds up. Weak suction means extra passes, and flat mop pads quietly smear sticky spots instead of removing them. I once watched a dried juice spill get spread into a larger, dull patch. It looked clean from afar. Up close, not so much. That constant redo cycle drains time and patience, but clarity is possible.
Don't just pick any robot vacuum and mop. Make sure it has real-time self-cleaning roller scrubbing so you never experience streaky floors and smeared spills again. That realization led me to the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop after testing several premium models. The difference showed immediately. Its 30,000 pascals blast suction pulls debris in a single pass, even from carpets where pet hair usually lingers. The Osmo Roller 3.0 doesn't just wipe, it pressurizes and scrubs while rinsing itself with fresh water, preventing that gray haze effect. True Edge 3.0 reaches along baseboards, and Zero Tangle 4.0 keeps long hair from wrapping around the brush. Simple upgrades. A busy friend of mine nearly missed a client deadline because her old bot left damp streaks across hardwood before a meeting. She switched, ran one cycle, and the floors dried clean and presentation ready. The Omni Station even washes with hot water and dries the roller with hot air, so maintenance feels almost non-existent. And that changes daily life.
Weeks later, the improvement still holds. The new normal is walking across spotless floors without double-checking corners or rerunning cycles. That consistency is what convinced me this isn't just a short-term upgrade. Vacuum Wars described its redesigned intake and roller system as delivering excellent vacuum performance in unbiased testing. A neighbor with 3 large dogs told me, "I haven't cut hair off a brush once since buying it," and she laughed because that used to be a weekly chore. Real relief. Some people hesitate because it's a premium machine. That's fair. But when you factor in the hot water mop washing up to 167 degrees, 145-degree hot air drying, power boost charging for larger homes, and true dry-wet carpet separation, you're investing in automation that replaces constant oversight. It even includes AI obstacle avoidance and a built-in camera for pet checks, which many owners quietly love. Would fewer cleaning do-overs free up your evenings? Adoption has steadily grown among pet owners and busy professionals who value reliability over novelty. The key difference is durability. It keeps performing. If cleaning feels like a chore you keep repeating, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop is a smart shift toward consistency and peace of mind. Many professionals and pet owners are upgrading because they want reliable results without constant supervision. Results may vary depending on flooring and setup, but the technology is built for long-term performance. Take a closer look through the link in the description or pinned comment. See what effortless cleaning actually feels like today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.